show gratitude to Hazrat Imam is by attending Jamatkhanas every day and following all the lessons that he gave us through his firman.
After the wonderful Didar, I express my gratitude by showing up to Jamatkhanas regularly and saying tasbih.
Coming to Jamatkhanas every day, praying from my heart, and reading lots of books.
I'm going to continue saying Shukrana tasbih every night, and I will try getting more voluntary services.
And doing everything in my power to make my Maula proud.
The way I express my gratitude to Hazrat Imam after this Cesar is three ways. One is by regular attendance in Jamatkhanas. Two is by service not only to the Jamaat but to humanity at large. And third is by exercising regularly. Hazrat Imam really talked about our physical well-being, and that's something that I really want to take up.
I think words would not be enough to thank Hazrat Imam for his blessings, for his firman, for his guidance. And I would say that the memories or moments of joys and the internal happiness that we have received in this joyous occasion. So I don't think the words would be enough, but Shukrana for everything.